Hi all, it's Catherine Burgess with Burgess Group Compass. We're talking about last week's Boulder County real estate numbers, nationally, what has happened with migration and how that relates to what our local market is looking like. So last week we had an incredible quantity of inventory come to market at 171 new listings. So that is surpassing 2018 at 117, 2019 at 136, and 2020 at 129. So awesome news, we needed that. Under contracts are also robust. We had 120 new under contracts last week, and that compares with 2018 we had 93, in 2019 we had 99, and in 2020 we had 133. So very much above the historic normals and a tiny bit below what was happening last year. So from a month's supply of inventory perspective, this is really good to see. We were at 1.8 months supply of inventory last week, and that is higher than we saw in all 3 previous years. So all of that is to say that our market is functioning in a very healthy way. So we have more inventory, we have more buyers, more under contracts. This is in enormous contrast to some other parts of the country where their inventory has been so low that their year-to-date under contracts and sales is enormously depressed. So those are the places that are having the fastest rising price appreciation. And we are having incremental price appreciation because we do have a surplus of buyers, but that is a healthier trajectory for us. So really good. From a national perspective, the migration question has been on people's minds of wondering, are we going to continue to see the migration happening now that offices are opening up and people are vaccinated, and will they be returning to their normal lives? So we had in April and May of 2021, the same intended migration rate that we saw in Q1 of 2021. So around 31.1%. And that is about 4.4% higher than what we saw in year-to-date in 2020. So we are not seeing continued increase, but we are seeing a continued sustained momentum. And that is important to us locally because those out-of-town buyers have a 30% larger budget than our local buyers. So those out-of-town buyers are really the buyers that are putting that price appreciation into action. And so what we should expect is that we may see a continued appreciation rate if we're having a continued number of buyers that are coming to the market. The only way that would really change is if we had a bigger supply of inventory that made it so that there was less competition. So all this is to say, relatively speaking, very good time to be a seller. Relatively speaking, for our Denver metro area, it's a good time to be a buyer. And if we can be a resource and answer any questions, we're happy to do so. Please like, subscribe, and share, and we will see you again next week. Thanks.